generally speaking, the way that sounds are shaped within Massive 10 is that the envelopes E1, 2, 3, and 4 are here, and E stands for envelope. So I can look across the interface, and anywhere where I see E next to a number basically means the amount of an envelope that is assigned to a particular parameter. And the way that I can adjust the amount of that is simply by clicking on it and just dragging up and down. So effectively what I'm doing as that assignment moves around the sort of frequency dial is I'm setting the maximum amount that the frequency can open up as a result of the influence of this envelope. So in other words, as I back this down, effectively the sound can't get as bright every time I play a note. And similarly, as I really open it up, it can get super bright. So I'm going to just shape that a little bit. And if I actually wanted to change the behavior of that particular envelope, what I can do is to click here, come to envelope 2, and I can see that modulator 2 is here. So effectively, this is the envelope which is being used on the filter. I'm actually okay with these settings. It's just the amount that it was opening it was something I wanted to change. Could make it a bit more resonant though. Again, that same, a different envelope assignment. This one's envelope 3. Effectively, what we've got here is a different envelope. This spike here, envelope number 3, modulator 3, is controlling the resonance amount.